So in Krishna's flute, Jugokalam, he was carrying his invitation, his desire. I desire on this romantic night. I'm being stimulated by all the factors, and I'm experiencing the full moon and flowers and breeze, etc. I desire your association, gopis. I desire to be with you and to love you and to dance with you under the moonshine. Please, I'm inviting you. I desire your association. Please come and be with me. Please come dance with me. So then when that flute song, the Kam Bij, entered the gopis' ears, it carried Krishna's desire to love them. And when they realized in that flute song that Krishna is inviting them one by one, Krishna is inviting Radha, Krishna is inviting Lalita, all the individual gopis, they felt so honored, they felt so satisfied, happy that Krishna is calling us. Krishna desires me. He desires to dance with me. And as the next verse says, they thought that they were the only ones going. Ayonyam, it says Ayonyam, like Anyata. There were no others, Ayonyam. That was here in verse 4. So this is the desire of Krishna was conveyed and received so wonderfully. As a bhakta, if a bhakta surrenders to Krishna and he hears the Guru Shiksha, and the Guru is teaching him that Krishna desires your love, that God is love, he desires to have loving service from your hand. It's described in the Shringhar and the Takraji or the Murti Shringhar. When we do deity seva, we serve our Murti seva, or Archan, Shri Murti Archanam, that the puja should be done from our hand, personally. Sometimes wealthy people or busy people, they hire some purohit or some Brahmin to do the puja for their Gar Thakur. They may have Sitaram in their house or Lakshmi Narayan, and they're busy with their life or whatever. So they hire some Brahmin to come in and dress and cook and like this. This is not what the Shastras or Acharyas are telling us, that bhakti is hand to hand. When we don't hire, the wife doesn't go out and say, listen, I'm hiring somebody. Will you cook my husband's dinner and serve it to my husband? I don't think the husband would like that very much. If it came dinner time and some maid walks in and said, your wife has hired me to cook your meal because she's very busy at the parlor getting her hair dressed and her fingernails polished. So that I have come to cook your meal and serve you. Would the husband be very happy? You're getting served. You're getting hot chapatis right off the tawa. But will your heart be happy? N-O, no. So is the Supreme Personality of Godhead appearing in your home to bless us all as his Murti Rupam, as his Sri Vigraha? Will he be any less dissatisfied? So therefore, puja has to come directly from our hand. Is our Gar Thakur, the wife cooks or the husband cooks when she's not, it's not possible for her. And then they do puja, they dress themselves. This is love, one-on-one, hand to hand. So Krishna's flute sound, Jago Kalam, well, he was personally from his heart, through the desire, the flute song of Krishna, Jago Kalam, was the medium, the sound medium, sound, shabda, it's actually transcendental, was the sound medium carrying Krishna's klim. Krishna, the kalo, Jago Kalam, that flute kalam was carrying Krishna's klim, Krishna's desire to love and be with the gopis in an individual, hand-to-hand, cheek-to-cheek way in the Ras Leela. So intimate, so personal, and so individual. This is Sri Krishna, Vrindavan. So intimate, so individual, and so personal, and so close. God is very, very close in Vrindavan. But in Vaikuntha, he's very, very far. This is the meaning that carried Krishna's desire. And then Krishna's desire in the flute song created desire because it's a clean beach, the mantra of desire, carrying Krishna's desire. When the gopis heard the flute song, that awakened and inflamed and aroused their natural desire to love and serve Krishna and Madhurya Rati. And this is all going on in Kalam. Krishna is conveying his desire and inviting, please, RSVP, responde suve play.